Today I will be making and testing litmus paper from hibiscus flower, rose petals and turmeric. Then I will use different solutions such as lemon juice, dish soap solution. First, collect the petals in a bowl.
Place the rose petals in a bowl and add hot water. Let them soak for a few minutes or boil for 1 minute. The water will turn reddish pink as the color from the petal mixes with the water. Dip the paper into rose water extract and let it soak overnight. Next day, take out the paper from the rose water extract and allow it to dry. See the difference in color. Cut the sheet into smaller paper strips. Take a bowl and add some lemon juice. First, I will dip a strip into lemon juice. Lemon juice is acidic. Watch carefully as the color changes. Now, let's test soap solution. Soap solution is a base. The rose litmus paper changes to a different color, showing the solution is basic. This happens because natural pigments in the rose petal react differently to acid and bases. That is why rose extract can be used as natural indicator. First, mix the turmeric powder with a little water to make a paste. Do you know, friends, turmeric is a common kitchen ingredient. It contains a natural compound called curcumin, which acts as a natural indicator. Apply the turmeric paste evenly on the paper with the help of a brush. Allow it to dry completely. After drying, cut the paper into strips. A turmeric indicator paper is ready. Here I am using 3 liquids: dishwater soap solution, lemon juice and water to test the nature of the solution. Now I will put a few drops of lemon juice on the turmeric paper. Observe carefully. There is no color change. This shows that the lemon juice is acidic. Now let's observe the reaction of water on the indicator paper. When water is added, there is no significant color change, which suggests the water is a neutral solution. When I added the dish soap solution to the turmeric indicator paper, only a slight color change was observed. This suggests that the solution is mildly basic or that the concentration of the base is low. Next, I am adding a few drops of soap solution. Soap solution is basic in nature. Observe carefully. The yellow paper changes to a reddish brown color. Turmeric is a natural indicator. It stays yellow in acid but changes to reddish brown in bases. This experiment helps us identify whether a substance is acidic or basic. Put a petal from a fresh hibiscus flower and collect them in a glass container. Now, pour hot water over the petal and let them soak for a few hours. If you want faster results, you can boil the petal for a few minutes. Once the petals have released their color, allow the liquid to cool. Then filter it using a strainer or filter paper.
Next, take a strip of filter paper and dip it completely into the hibiscus extract. Leave it to soak overnight so so that it absorbs the natural pigment well.
The next day, remove the paper and let it dry completely. Once it is dry, cut it into small strips. Your homemade natural litmus paper is now ready. Now take two bowls. In one bowl, pour some lemon juice, and in the other bowl, prepare a washing soda solution by mixing a little washing soda with water.
We will use the lemon juice as an acidic solution and the washing soda solution as a basic solution for testing our natural indicator papers.
First, dip the strip into the lemon juice. The strip changes to a pink or purplish color, showing that the solution is acidic. Now, dip another strip into the soap solution. This time, the strip turns green, showing that the solution is a basic.
This happens because hibiscus contains natural pigments called anthocyanins, which changes color depending on whether the solution is acidic or basic.